If you want to stop the auto-renewal of your ProtonMail subscription, follow these simple steps to manage your account settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the ProtonMail website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're accessing the account for which you want to disable auto-renewal. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the interface. Step 3. Go to Subscription Management. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Subscription or Billing. Click on this section to view your account subscription details. Step 4. Disable auto-renewal. Within the Subscription Management section, find the option for auto-renewal. There should be a toggle or checkbox that allows you to disable this feature. Make sure to confirm any prompts that appear. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling auto-renewal, check for a confirmation message or email from ProtonMail. This will ensure that your changes have been successfully applied and that you will not be charged for the next billing cycle. By following these steps, you can effectively stop the auto-renewal of your ProtonMail subscription. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to ProtonMail support for assistance.